Madison, and I live on Brunswick farm, and I'm gonna give you a tour of my farm, and we milk jerseys. These are some of our little calves, and this is Dragonfly, the next and Sprinkles and River. And then there's more little calves.
Okay.
And this one. And there's 5 of them. And these ones are the ones that are old enough to go outside in their little hutches. This is Candy Cane. This is Lisa.
Why is her name Lisa?
After our worker. This is Midnight. This is Hilda. And this is
Corona.
Corona.
Do you remember the bull's name?
And this is Quarantine.
Okay, inside?
And now I'm going to show you one more calf inside, and then all the big cows down here.
Come on, Molly.
Pringles.
Pringles.
She looks like a little deer. And then these are the dog house. And then one heifer.
Cookie dough.
And these ones are going to calve soon. They're on a vacation from milking.
You want to show the robot?
It milks cows by itself. They walk in and they get milked if they need milk.
Who's getting milked right now?
This is $5.97 per seat. And heifers, when they calf, they've never gone in, so it's hard to get them in.
Yeah.
And now I'm going to show you all the milking cows. These cows go in here.
Yeah, Daddy has it ready. What is this called that they eat?
This is their food.
What's in it?
Feed and corn.
And silage. Yep.
And silage.
That's where they lay?
And this calf, this was a heifer, but now she's a nut.
She's Pringle's mom.
Yeah, this is Pringle's mother.
Hey, Pine Tree.
Hi.
Oh, Dragonfly's mother. Hi, Butterfly. Hi, Jenny. Yeah, hi. Hi.
Heifers, some are pregnant and some aren't, and it has dry cows, and they have had calves, but heifers haven't had calves before. These are all of them. Those ones have to be covered because their head, and we don't want them to go bad. And these ones are silage. They have to be wrapped. And if they're not wrapped, they'll go bad. Because they could go moldy. After they wrap their leg on it, and when we go for cows to eat, all these cows eat them. cows love it. And they eat the nice yummy grass. And some of them you have to patch them because birds pet holes in them.
No, that's not good.
And then there's younger calves in the barn. Little younger calves. All the calves they get moved up after 3 months old. Calves they get 2 to 3 kgs a day, depending on their age. And I'm gonna get this down now.
How old are they?
They're like, they're almost I'm gonna let those cows in for their.
Why were they locked out?
Because the barn has cleaned out.
And what happens when you let them in?
We found one in. And they'll come running in.
Skittles.
Now, once they're done eating, I'll push up all the hay. This is the hay. And they get hay and water all day long. And they will be quick at eating. So, once they're done eating, I'm going to push it all up.
If you can let me show you around. These are trucks, and those are all the things that hold the grains and ingredients to make the feed. This is where all the micro ingredients get kept, like salt and stuff like that doesn't get used a whole lot of. All the bigger ingredients get kept outside, and they all get kept up there.
So what happens when you make feed?
Make feed, that's the surge hopper there. It holds ingredients. Bigger ingredients that are going to go in. This is the mixer. This mixes them all together, and over this way I think that's soy oil.
Yeah.
That might be molasses or soy oil. In here, screens like this get kept to grind up all the feed. There's a whole bunch of different sizes. There's small, bigger than, a little bit bigger than, a lot bigger, and way bigger.
What happens after the feed mixes?
Well, after the feed's done mixing and everything, it goes to overhead bins outside. And this is molasses. And this is the big control panel.
Want to show us the overhead bins?
Out here is the overhead bins, where before the feed gets put in, where after some mixing, it gets put in there, and then a feed truck drives under, and they open something that lets everything in. And we use this tractor to move all the tote bags and bins and stuff around.
Our layer breeder barn, they're Van Browns, and this is the barn we use for our hatch eggs, which are the eggs that we hatch in the chicks. This is the gathering system. It just brings them on a belt, and in our other barn, we go in and we get them from the nests.
What's in there?
Chickens.
Lots of chickens? Are you going to show me how the packer works? What happens to the eggs?
hopper. Feed hopper. And this is where they eat feed. That's the water. This is that.
How old do you grow them to?
17 weeks.
And then what happens?
They start laying eggs. They get foul. They get
What kind of chickens are these?
They're Bozeman Browns.
What do you like about chickens?
That they give us food.
Do you like eggs?
Yeah.
What's your favorite kind of eggs?
That one's. Mine is fine.
Fried? Fried?
And the eggs make good breakfast sandwiches. I make good breakfast sandwiches. And if they get too warm, they die.
So what do you have to make sure they don't get too hot?
You gotta make sure they don't get too cold or too hot.
How do you do that?
You have air vents right there.
Air vents, okay.
That's the heater.
Heaters.
And this is holding up the roof and support.
And what are those on the wall blowing air?
Air vents.
Fans?
Fans.
Yeah, fans. And why do you have to be careful when you're in the barn with the chickens?
So they don't pile.
Yeah. You never run around, do you?